Hello everyone, I'm Devon Andrews and this is Elliot, and we are from Charleston County Public Library, and we are going to be sharing a delicious recipe for you in honor of National Poetry Month, which of course is the whole month of April. And our recipe we're making tonight is, what are we making?
Guacamole.
Guacamole, yes, delicious green guacamole. And this recipe is brought to you by The Popcorn Astronauts and Other Biteable Rhymes by Deborah Ruddle. It's a book of poems all about food. So I'll read to you, Elliot, the one about guacamole. You want to hear it?
Yeah.
Okay. Guacamole. It's called Only Guacamole. Even though it's lumpy and it's avocado green, like the porridge for an ogre or a troll, nothing on the table makes my eyes light up like a little guacamole in a bowl. Only guacamole has that guacamole taste. To explain it, I could write a dozen books. That would take forever, so I'll just say this: guacamole is so much better than it looks. Are you excited to make this recipe?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so what is the main ingredient in guacamole? What do we have in this bowl? You know what those are?
What?
Avocados.
Avocados.
Yeah, and avocados are very healthy. They've got healthy fat that's good for your heart, and they are delicious. So we've got 3 avocados that we have removed the skin and the pit, and now we're gonna mash them up. Let me mash them up?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mash them, mash!
And Mom, after we play our taste our strawberry cookies, can we play will you play Mario Party with us?
I will play Mario Party with you after we finish our strawberry cookies, which is our other recipe we're making for the month of April.
Okay.
Okay, and then to add to our delicious avocados that are all mushed up now, we're going to add, you know what this is? I'm gonna guess.
What is this?
Onions.
What is this one?
I used 1/4 of a cup of onions, and I just used
This
frozen
is-
onions that are thawed out and already chopped, easy.
And what is this?
What do you think that is?
Watermelon?
No, you wanna try it?
What? Tomatoes?
Tomatoes. I know tomatoes aren't your favorite, but it's a delicious part of this guacamole recipe. But you can try part without tomatoes, okay? Does that sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Or maybe you like tomatoes in this recipe. You like tomatoes in some things. Okay, so we added 2 plum tomatoes, or Roma tomatoes, that are chopped up. And we added the 1/4 of a cup of onions. And now, I should have gotten a bigger bowl. This is a lot of guacamole. I'm very, very excited about this. Okay, to that we're going to add 1 minced clove of garlic. You want to smell the garlic?
I like it.
You do? It's a strong smell, isn't it? Didn't you ask me if you could eat garlic by itself the other day?
No.
I think you did. But I said garlic is delicious, but not by itself, really. Now, you've got your measuring cup or measuring spoon. We're going to use a teaspoon of salt. Hold it really straight so we don't overfill it. There we go.
How many scoops?
Just 1. No. Pour it in the bowl. There you go. Thank you, my friend. Now, we're going to use the juice from 1 lime. I love the way limes smell. Doesn't that smell delicious?
Can I put both of them in there?
Yeah, but I'll show you how we're going to squeeze the juice out. We've got this juicer here, so put it upside down. Yeah, like that. And then we're going to squeeze it. You want to help me squeeze it?
Yeah.
Squeeze it. Look. There we go. There we go. Yay. Okay.
Oh, it's flat.
It's flat. We squished all the juice out of the lime. Oh, no.
Sorry.
It's okay. But it still smells delicious.
But we poured the juice inside.
Yeah, so now we're going to do this one. You ready?
Yeah.
Squeeze. You ready? Squeeze. Lime juice. Yummers. Yum, yum, yummy. Okay.
Oh, it's flattened just like the other one.
Yeah, we flattened that one too, didn't we? Okay, and now last ingredient is, smell that. cilantro. We chopped up about 3 tablespoons.
And I put in?
Yeah, pour in there very gently so you don't break the bowl or anything. I love cilantro. It smells delicious and it tastes so fresh. Okay, and now we're gonna stir it.
Oh.
Mix it all up. Should I have gotten a bigger bowl, do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's okay. That's all right.
You should have used that red bowl.
Oh yeah, the big red bowl.
Mm-hmm.
I'll have to do that next time. I'm very excited about this. And of course, you can dip.
Remember we flattened those 2 ones?
Yeah, we did. We squeezed all the juice out. Of course, you can dip tasty, crisp veggies in here if you want to. And we've got some delicious tortilla chips.
Tortilla chips? What are those?
Yeah, these chips right here. Now, in honor of Poetry Month, do you know some other rhyming words?
What?
Let's see. What could rhyme with guacamole? Maybe roly-poly?
Roly-poly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What rhymes with ball?
Saw.
Saw?
Yeah, a saw cuts things.
A saw? Okay. And let's see, ball and mall and tall
and job.
Jaw?
Job.
Oh, job? What rhymes with job?
Dog.
Yeah, we'll get there. Okay, you want to try this now?
Yeah.
Here's a chip for you and a chip for me. And now we'll dip a little bit of guacamole on the chip. It's so good. Oh man. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
This is very good. The recipe said to refrigerate it for an hour to make it taste even better, but obviously we couldn't wait.
Don't put it in the oven. I like it.
I won't put it in the oven. What do you think?
Good.
So, how many stars would you give it?
What?
How many stars would you give it if 1 star means it's not good at all and 5 stars means it's the best thing you've ever had?
Yeah.
How many?
What?
5 stars?
Mm-hmm.
A 5-star dish from our chef Elliot. Okay, well thank you for hanging out with us. Go read some wonderful poetry. Check out some great poetry books from the library. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.